Hello, and welcome to this video that will show you how to wake up. How to wake up. Wake up. Wake up. It is very important to wake up because otherwise accusations could start flying around in your direction and you could be accused of all kinds of things such as being lazy or not being alive. Now in order to wake up, you first need to be asleep. You can try waking up without sleeping, but I'm not sure the laws of physics will allow you to be able to do this, but you never know. Give it a try, why not? So I'll first show you what sleeping looks like, and that will give you a better understanding of how to wake up and what waking up is all about. So I'm just going to show you that now. This is sleeping. So you just find somewhere to sleep. I'm asleep. So we have covered sleeping. The next step will be to wake yourself up from that. How on earth is that done? Well, a lot of experts say that using an alarm clock is one of the best ways to wake up. However, recent studies have shown that statistically, around 98% of people cannot actually wake up using an alarm clock, particularly if there's not one in the same room as where you're sleeping, or it doesn't have any batteries. Therefore, it is not a reliable device to help you wake up and could end up causing you to sleep more than you would like to. Terrible, this. Fortunately for you all, I have come across two of the most perfect waking up solutions. The first method involves sleeping. If you find that you're asleep, then you'll need to get yourself into the dream state. Once in the dream state, you'll then need to try and locate a payphone. From there, you'll need to dial the operator, who should be able to then beam you back up into this reality. It is important to get to a payphone because for some reason mobile phones don't work. I'm not sure why, they just don't work. So that is the first option that you could try yourself. However, if you cannot get to a payphone or you have run out of credit, then you can try this alternative method. So for this method, you're first going to want to position yourself on the floor. If you don't have a floor, then you can just use a bed. So I'll just use a bed for demonstration purposes, but normally I would be using the floor. So what you want to do is to get yourself onto the bed like this. Just like that. Lift your legs up, why not? Just like that. And then you'll want to try and fall asleep, like this. And now that you've fallen asleep, it's really important to follow these next steps in order to wake back up again. So with all your might, what you're going to want to do is to lift your arm in the air. You're going to have to do this. This is the only possible way of waking up once again, I'm afraid. That's it, raise your arm, you can do it. You're doing so good, raise that arm. Excellent work. Now slap your face. That's great, you've woken up again. Oh no, you've fallen back asleep. No matter, we can wake you up again. So just repeat the process, raise that arm one more time. Great work. Now slap your face once again with your arm. Excellent, I can see you've done this before. You're awake again. Now let's see if you can remain awake this time. Oh no, you're getting tired, you're getting sleepy. Ah, no, you're asleep. Don't give up. One more time I reckon and you should be wide awake. That's it. And that is how you wake up. And that completes the how to wake up tutorial. Now that you're wide awake, you're free to do all kinds of amazing things, such as paying your taxes, or going to the dentist, or working a full-time 9-to-5 job. Whatever takes your fancy, really. So many possibilities. As I'm awake, I have some really important errands to do right now, so I'll catch you all later. I'll see you. I'm pretty busy. Got things to do. Now, I've been learning to wake up for a very long time now, and as a result have managed to develop a brand new technique that I like to call reverse waking up. So I thought I would just share that with you now, and hopefully one day in the future you will be able to learn how to do it as well. So I'll just show you how that's done.